Being dependent on somebody else sucks. Having to explain every penny, every cent. Being a mom of 2 kids that used to work 50 hours a week and just being caught up in that rut, in the mom rush, never having a cent to spare. I got sick and tired of it. And having to explain every single penny, I got sick of it. And that's why I started looking on how can I supplement my income around my 9-to-5 job and around my kids. And what I found was a blueprint that I could follow step by step, literally giving me daily mentorship videos that I could follow every day, just working from my smartphone, mastering a 2-hour workday around my 9-to-5 job, and just becoming coachable and working on my mindset, growing a following and building an email list, because my business is completely automated, meaning I get my time back, and that is how I can start making money in my sleep while I'm at my job. And this is also how I am able to pull in more income in a few days than what I've seen in weeks at my normal job. So if you want to learn exactly the blueprint that I followed, never being dependent on anybody ever again, then drop a yes in my comments, because I would love to share this with you.